I photographed Northland for years. But every now and then, a new tool changes the way you see a familiar place. This might be one of those things. If you have followed my photography for a while, you'll know I'm obsessed with landscapes and travel storytelling. When the DJI Avata 360 finally arrived, there was one location I couldn't stop thinking about. I've photographed this area countless times from the ground. But I'd never experienced it from this perspective. The first thing that surprised me wasn't actually the drone. It was how complete the flying experience felt. You see, normally when I fly drones, I'm constantly thinking about positioning and framing. This felt much more like exploring. The first few minutes were a little strange. I kept trying to fly it like a normal drone, then something clicked. What impressed me wasn't just the image quality, it was the flexibility afterwards. Most drone reviews talk about specifications. As a photographer, I look at things a little differently. Does it help tell a better story? I don't think this replaces traditional drones. I think it creates something different. For photographers and storytellers, that's probably the most exciting part. This was my only first adventure with Avata 360. And I have a feeling it's going to be coming with me to a lot of places around Aotearoa, New Zealand.